online coaching and personal trainer. So today we have a total body circuit that's going to help to accentuate your curves. All you need is outdoors, steps, and kettlebells, and you'll be closer to your way to your fat loss goal. This exercise is important because it helps to strengthen you to keep you stronger, and it's anaerobic activity. So the only external weight you're going to be using is the kettlebell, but for the most part, your body is going to be your source of resistance, which is awesome. You know what that means? You'll be burning calories even after you're working out. So that is why I love doing anaerobic activity. You can be sitting at your desk, still burning calories. So without further ado, let's get started.
I've got some special memories. They're all including you and me. You make me forget that I'm shy. When I'm with you, I'm pretty wild. BFFs for life. Feel so good inside. I'm yours and you're mine.
for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your concerns when it comes to your fitness goal. What is it that you struggle with the most? Right, Paige? And I would love to help you with our online coaching. Visit our website, magdasilfitness.com, and enjoy the rest of your day.
We can stay